This is how to change your DS160 confirmation number on the AVITS portal. So just in case you can't access your application, or for some reasons there's an error, you're trying to make some changes, all you have to do is to create a new one. Once you create a new one, come towards this place for the support. So just scroll down where you have my dashboard, appointment, notification, support. Now click on support. Once you click on support, select the one that applies, either non-immigrant or immigrant, depending on the case. But in this case, it is non-immigrant that you're trying to. Now, as you can see, select topic, visa fee, appointment scheduling inquiries, document delivery, pending application, profile inquiries. Now click on profile inquiries. So now once you click on profile inquiries, now click on create a ticket. Now once you click on create a ticket, you can now, on the summary part, you can now say um, change DS160, change DS160 confirmation. Now select the applicant's name, or select my name, or the name, just select the name that applies. So describe the issue. So you can now say I am trying to change, or you can say update my DS160 confirmation. This is the new DS160 number. You can now enter, you can provide more information, and enter the let's say AA OE 123. So enter the, make sure you enter the correct one anyway. So once you do this, now scroll down where you have this attached files. Now click on attached file. Now upload the new DS160 confirmation you just created. So once you upload it, all you just have to do is to click submit. Once you click submit, automatically you're going to get an email stating that the ticket has been created. And once you get a response, you're also going to get another email stating that your situation has been resolved or something like that. You can then come back to your appointment, click on my appointment, or go back to the dashboard, download the appointment confirmation, then confirm to be sure that it has the latest DS160 confirmation. You have to ensure that the DS160 on the confirmation tallies with the one on the appointment confirmation. If it does not tally, you won't be allowed to go for interview. So if you find this video useful, make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.